Are you struggling to get your first client as a 3D designer? And I understand you, getting a client is not an easy task, especially for newcomers in this field. And I have been there too. And for 4 long years I have been trying to figure out the secret formula to create unique 3D content that is most needed by companies around the world. And that will allow us to easily get a client and never be broke again. And finally, I found it. And in this video I will reveal all the secrets and show you step by step how to create unique and attractive product design renders in Blender for your portfolio that you can attract more clients to your services, or so that you can surprise your existing clients. And with the knowledge that you will gain in this course, you will be able to not only find the clients, but also provide them with more value, such as increasing likes, followers, or sales that will turn a one-time client into a regular client. So don't waste your precious time and go to this course to gain valuable knowledge that will help take your 3D design career from the ground to the sky.